right, this is just a big haul from Erin Condren of like $100 worth of random stuff. This is the longest it's ever taken me to get an Erin Condren order. I ordered this on November 15th and today is December 11th, which I know everyone's delayed with shipping costs or shipping delays and the holidays and Black Friday, but usually they're like so quick. So I was surprised that it took so long, but it's here now, so we're gonna take a look at it. The joy of giving. Oh, look at that. There's a code for 20% off. I give you permission to use this because I'm not going to use it. The 2021 holiday gift guide. Oh, this is a cute little catalog of, I guess, select things that you could see on their website, but maybe overlooked while you are online and getting overwhelmed with all the stuff that they have. I always think it's great to give any of these a gift guide any time of the year. It doesn't have to even be the holidays. All right, so these got ruined, but that's okay. I don't even like them. That's kind of how I decide like things. I'm like, whatever. So these were, I believe, free. There were free Flora sticky notepads. Like they had some deal going on during whenever I ordered this. To do notes, track, and I know what you're thinking, I want them. You could totally have them they're gonna go into the planner consignment shop. Although they were kind of ruined, I don't know. I feel like if I got these, I'd be kind of annoyed. Oh, look at that. They're supposed to be together. They even came apart. Yeah, I think we'll just recycle these. Or you know what I'll do? I will just throw them into somebody's order because they were free for me, so they can be free for whoever orders something from the planner consignment shop and it fits in the box. I believe these were free as well. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I know you're like, thanks, Lisa. I didn't know the days of the week, but now that you've read them to me, I feel so much smarter. Oh, that's different. So instead of having stickies at the top, they're sticky on the left. So here's my only problem with Erin Condren sticky notes. They're just not very sticky. Like they look like they stick and they look like they're gonna stay on, but like 2 seconds later, they'll just start like kind of flaking off on their own. So I don't know if it's like the world's cheapest sticky kind of stickiness, but they just don't work very well. But it does look pretty. It's like a brownish purple kind of color. All right, we'll set those aside. I did order these because I have so many notebooks I've been buying lately that are softbound, and because of that, they don't have tab dividers. So I don't know if you know this, people don't put tab dividers in softbound notebooks. That's why they're so cheap to make and produce, and so it's the spirals that have the tab dividers and usually are more expensive. So, but I like these colors. They're very bright and colorful. Look at that. It's called the Colorful Monthly Adhesive Tab. So yeah, so excited to use these on something. Mini calendars. I love these. I would probably, honestly, I'm just going to bide my time until these go on sale because I would love to have hundreds of these. I don't know why. You know, there was this old notebook. I don't even know if they still make it anymore. It was a notebook from At a Glance, and they had the entire year at a glance on every single notebook page. And I was like, that is genius. I would like to look at the calendar every single day of the week. I think I was the only one because I think they stopped making those, but look at that. They're even all different colors. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Yeah, I would totally use those every single day. All right, what else do we have? Okay, so softbound planners. I believe this is a notebook. I don't know why it says LifePlanner. But I really wanted, and let's just take this out of the box. This box is so huge, it's like cutting into my stomach. So let's just take that out. All right, so I really wanted to try a softbound notebook. So what I normally use from Erin Condren is the only notebook that they offer is this tiny itty bitty like miniature A5, which is kind of a joke. I think everybody knows, everyone hears me complain all the time. I'm like, I write so big. And because I write so big, I have a really hard problem, especially with very narrow planners like this, or notebooks. And so this one is like a nice full size 8x10. So I thought I would try that out and see how that works for me. So again, I don't know why it says LifePlanner. I could have swore I ordered, maybe I did order a LifePlanner. I thought I ordered, no, I did order a LifePlanner. This is a mistake. This is all on me. I'm looking at my receipt. This was $40. I totally meant to order a notebook. So I did not mean to order a planner, but that's okay. It's still pretty. I don't know what I'll do with it now. All right, so we have this planner that I didn't mean to order, but it has pretty colors that are all metallic that match the other item. I know what you're thinking. Just give it to me. You can have it. This will 100% go into the planner consignment shop. In fact, let me just put it back in its plastic so I can just resell it. I think I can return these to Erin. I just feel bad returning planners. One, they're not that much money, and two, you know, it's more trouble to me, I think, than it's worth. Okay, so that will go in the planner consignment shop, which I'm very excited that I started this planner consignment shop. Oh, I clearly got a second one of these. So these are $13 each. So let's just go ahead and cut this open because I'm going to use it right away for sure on my notebook, which hopefully this is a notebook. And I did not purchase another planner on accident. Oh, here we go. All right. I'm gonna set those aside, and this is a notebook. All right, 100%. So I did personalize it down here with a little Lisa Siefert, and over here, so we have the standard Erin Condren like cover. In fact, I think it's even, yeah, it's even detachable like they're normal. There we go, dot grid notebook. We got it this time. I figured it out. Okay, so this is perfect. The only thing, I don't know why she always does this. She puts her logo on the corner of every single page. I don't know why that is. I guess some people like it. It's pretty colorful things. I would rather just have it plain. Oh, look at that. And it's perfect. So this is nice and big. It's a spiral, which I prefer. I'm not really into the, what do you call it? The bound ones. So yeah. And then let's open this first. Celebrate Each Day Designer Sticker Book Monthly Collection. So this is edition number 7. This one was $15.50. And let's open it up and see what we have. Don't they just look pretty? Like all the little dots, the confetti. The confetti look is pretty. Oh, I know where I got this. It is a monthly theme. So January, you have February hearts, March, like leprechaun stuff, April, butterflies and spring. We have May, June, July. We have August, September, October. Oh, that's so cute. Those little kitty cats. November. I know, now that I'm a cat mom, I'm like, cats are so cute. Then we have December. And that's it. So I think these are cute. I don't know why. I just like stickers better when they have a theme to them versus like random stickers. And you guys all know how I feel about washi tape. I'm a big no on washi tape. So I'll just ignore the washi tape boxes at the bottom. All right. So the last thing we have is a teacher weekly desk pad. So this was $14. And I know what you're thinking. Are you going to use this like a desk pad? I am not. So let me surprise you, because you were able to customize these orders. So we're gonna take that off, and look at that. Cozy Mystery Plotting Notes. So you were able to pick out all of your colors. So the subject is victim number 1, victim number 2. I usually have 2 murder victims in my novels, and then suspect 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the red herring and the MacGuffin. So if you're not familiar, these are just writing mystery terms, but MacGuffins are like something that everyone's searching for during a mystery, but it has nothing to do with the real mystery, but people think it's important. And red herrings are just fake clues. So this will help me, like, as I'm plotting things out, to put these all out across here. So I was not able to change, obviously, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's just how it is. So I will be, actually, maybe I should take that back. Maybe I can use the washi tape over here, and I can write on it. There we go. So I can cover up Monday, and I can write something new. Like age and name. Okay, with a better colored pen so that we could actually see it. But yeah, I know what you're thinking. This is not for me to plan out my week like a teacher would with lessons. That would make sense. But this is just for me to plot out my novels, and each page is exactly the same. So then if I make a mistake, I can just rip it off, throw it away, and then start over. And then I can hang these up. I like having things like big picture notes hung up next to me while I am writing. So I am extremely happy with this purchase. I'm sure when they were printing, I wonder if like when they print this, people are like, what is going on? Or maybe they just don't even look or care. So yes, that is everything I got. So this again was meant to be a teacher weekly dustpan. That was $14. This is a notebook for $26, just dot grid pages, so it's perfect. This is an accidental purchase of a LifePlanner. I really meant to buy a notebook, and so that happens. This is the monthly stickers, and these were $15.50. And then I got 2 sets of these, which are the mini calendar stickers, and those were $13 each. And I think that's all I got. Nope, lie. I got these little monthly mini adhesive tabs, and these were $8.50. And these just came free. These unfortunately are broken. I will stick these in someone's thing so they can have it. Same thing, I'll never use this, so I'll just stick it in something somebody buys. So again, I hope you check out the planner consignment shop. That should be going up in a week. I hope everyone's having a great day. Remember, if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101, and I'll talk to everyone later.